what's up? Tia Mowry here. So today, you guys, is a very special day. Why? Because it is Cree's birthday! I can't believe it, he is 9 years old. That went by fast. But before we get into the fun birthday festivities, I just want to give a huge shout out to KiwiCo for sponsoring and collaborating with me on this video. All right, you guys, so first things first, I want to talk to you guys about a gift that I will be giving Cree. It's an activity box called KiwiCo. Now, this is a great resource for at-home learning, and they also have really cool hands-on projects that'll expose your kids to concepts in science, technology, engineering, art, and math. Not only that, they have like 8 subscription lines that ranges from different age groups and topics. You guys, these activity boxes aren't only for toddlers and teens, they're also for adults. This is the morning of his birthday, okay? And he's been asking about this forever. Okay, so you want Roblox?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, so that's the first thing we're gonna get this morning is Roblox. We have not seen my mother and his uncle in almost 5 months. So a gift for his birthday is what?
Uncle Todd and Grandma.
Yay! Tamara, of course, can't be here because she's in Napa. And Tabor, my brother Tabor, can't be here because he now lives in Tennessee. Are you ready to go for your walk today? So guys, we are about to go for our daily walk. Of course, it is Cree's birthday today, so Cree's gonna come join us. And we're just gonna go walk around the block for a minute. And then Cairo will be ready to go down for her nap so we can get ready for Cree's party.
Hi.
Are you ready to go on your walk?
Yeah.
All right, let's go.
Zoom, zoom.
Zoom, zoom, zoom.
Stay to the left sign.
Hi, Daddy.
Stay to the left sign because the car's okay.
I like your colors, Corey.
Thank you.
Cairo's gonna go take a nap. You wanna say night-night? You wanna give Lammy kisses? Mwah. Yay. Cairo's gonna take a nap. Night-night. Okay, you guys, so Cairo is asleep, and now I'm just gonna start getting ready for Cree's birthday. As you can see, I absolutely love, y'all, let me close this door. The toilet just doesn't look right there, okay. Okay, so I'm just gonna show you guys how I get ready very quickly for Cree's birthday party. Cairo is asleep, so I'm gonna try to get as much done while she's asleep. A little birdie told me, which happens to be my husband, that the balloons have arrived, so I will give you guys a glimpse of that. I haven't figured out what I wanna wear yet, but we'll figure it out. And then I have to get Cree ready for his party before Grandma and Uncle Taj comes by. Okay, let's get this party started. As you all know, you guys, we are quarantined. Oh my gosh, I cannot believe this is still happening. But, you know, we just want to stay safe. And we did originally have planned for Cree and a bunch of his friends to go to Knott's Berry Farm. He has never been to Knott's Berry Farm, so I just wanted to take him there. But unfortunately, we cannot do that because of the coronavirus. So, you know, basically what we're gonna do, we're just going to adjust and we're gonna have everything done at the house. And we did have Cairo's birthday at the house, which was great and awesome.
This is Cairo? Oh my God.
This time around, like I said, we are inviting my mom and my brother Todd. Okay, you guys, so I'm just gonna go ahead and start doing my makeup. So So you guys, this is like so easy. Basically, I just use the same lipstick for my blush. And then for my eyeshadow, it's so incredibly easy. It is a special celebration, you guys. I cannot believe Cree, my baby, is like 9 years old. Growing, you guys. I cut it at the beginning of the year. I don't know, you guys. This year 2020 has just been really interesting, and I just kind of wanted to just start fresh. So anyway, if you guys want me to do another hair tutorial with my hair short, let me know, and I will go through kind of like what I do with my hair to make my hair grow. I do take supplements. I think that is a huge plus. I actually take Answer, the beauty formula, which helps with hair growth, nails and skin, and that's what I do. And then I also just put like a lot of oils in my hair, from avocado oil to coconut oil to castor oil, and it just like really made my hair grow so fast. Okay, you guys, so I wanted to show you the dress that I have for Cree's birthday party. So this is what I am deciding to wear. It's really, really comfortable with some comfortable shoes, and it's a dress by Cynthia Rowley. It's really, really pretty. I like the color. I like how it flows. I really like the sleeves. It's cute. There we go. I'm wearing some nice sandals with it. It's time to have some fun. Oh, you guys, okay, so these are some of Cree's gifts that his daddy got him. He doesn't know yet, but these are some sneakers, and we've been hiding them in our closet. So aren't these really, really cute? Ooh, you guys, he is growing up. Okay, so this is what Cree's gonna be wearing for his birthday party. If you guys wanna check out what Kyra wore in her birthday party, you can check out Kyra's second birthday party video. But this today is all about Cree. So this is his windbreaker from Stella McCartney. We have these really cool Pumas that he's gonna wear with these really cute black shorts, and then I'm gonna go ahead and put it with this cute Stella shirt. And he will be wearing a mask today because Grandma's gonna be in the house and we wanna make sure that she's safe. All right, so Cree has on his clothes. You're looking so handsome, right?
Oh my, these are so long. Why are they so long?
Why are they so long?
Yeah.
But we're about to do his hair, and this is his favorite part of the day, you guys. He absolutely loves doing his hair. I'm joking, Cree. Okay, so I'm just gonna spray his hair with...
You guys know me.
I
don't like people do my hair.
Do you want to tell them how excited you are about your birthday party?
I am super excited. There's like Pikachu's all over downstairs.
Oh, he saw his balloons. We have Cree's balloons. They came in, and Cree is a huge Pikachu fan. Do you want to show everybody your balloons, Cree?
Pikachu.
Pikachu, Pikachu. Do you want to tell everybody how old you are?
9. No, I was about to say 10. Because
No.
there's 10 fingers. 9.
9 years old,
Ooh,
Cree.
Mom, that just got in my ear.
You got in your ear?
Yeah.
Hey, you guys. Do you remember the video, Cree, that I did when Mommy did your hair, when your hair was long?
And what's your name? Cree. When I had the big curls.
Yes.
All my friends.
I'm trying to convince him, you guys, to grow his hair out. Because, you know, we've been quarantined, so you haven't been able to cut your hair, right?
No.
So I'm like, why don't you just grow it out and then put it in some like braids?
Well, guess why I didn't want to do that?
Why?
Because when I used to go to school, everybody used to call me a girl with my braids.
Yeah, well, they don't know what they're talking about, okay?
Okay, this is way better than that.
What?
That gets in my ears. This gets in my ears. But that does not.
Okay.
And my
All
dad
right,
is
Cree.
like, nothing.
Y'all. Cree, did you pass gas?
No, it didn't.
What does that smell?
I don't know. I really don't know.
Are you sure you didn't pass gas?
No, I did not.
Okay. All right, do you want to tell everybody, you want to show everybody your hair?
Jacket,
Okay,
check it,
okay,
pants,
okay,
check it,
okay,
shoes,
okay.
that's it.
All right, check it. And then we have Uncle over here that came by. Hi, Uncle. What's up?
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Cree. Okay, and then now let's show you with your mask.
I got like the army mask.
You got the army mask. Wow, Cree.
Yeah.
A few moments later, we were able to get the mask on. Say hi. Say hi. We're getting ready for what? Cree's birthday? Hi. Hi. There we go. Arm in. And then we put this arm in right here. Remember? It goes in this one. How old are you, Cairo? You want to say how old you are? Are you going to tell everybody hi? Hi. Say we're getting ready for Cree's birthday. We had your birthday party, so now it's Cree's turn, right? And did you see the balloons, Cairo? Balloons? Do you want to go see them? Yes? Okay. Okay, ready? Do you want to show everybody your outfit? Okay, let's show everybody your outfit. Wow, look at our outfit. Hi. Do you want to hold it? Okay, you hold it. You're this way. This way. Yeah. Wow. Wow. All right, you guys. So Cree, he specifically asked for some burgers and fries. We got some fries right here. We got some burgers. And we have a Caesar salad with some milkshakes. Cairo, where's your milkshake? Where's your milkshake, Cairo? Do you want some milkshake right now or no? Yummy, 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 yummy. And then we have some fun stuff again. We have these plates that were actually sent to us from Adrian Bosch. So thank you so much, Adrian. We love you very much. We really appreciate you doing this. It says the Magnificent Hardrix, Super Cree, and we have some really cute little masks that we can put on and play around with. And then we have Cree's birthday cake from Susie's Cakes, which happens to be my favorite. Yes, cake! Cake, 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 cake! Mmm! So I got this for Cree. Happy birthday, Cree!
Oh, it's cold. It's freezing.
I knew it was gonna be cold.
Yeah, it's cold up.
Okay, go up! Let's watch Cree! Whatever. Hi, Grandma! Get it, Grandma! Hey! You guys, my brother Taj is about to go on this slide. Okay, ready? There you go, Taj. Okay, ready? Look who's ready, y'all.
It's not as cold as you would think.
Really?
I'm going again.
Yay! Oh my gosh, you guys, this is hilarious. 1, 2, 3! Mom. Hey, hey, hey. Get it, Cairo. Get it. Hey, hey. Say, here comes Cree. Whee!
12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5.
Wow, Cree. Daddy got you that.
I knew it!
What is that?
The Crew 2.
The Crew 2.
I love it.
Show me what you got. What did you get?
Dragonite.
Dragonite. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Cree. Happy birthday to you. Make a wish. Yay! All right, you guys, as you can see, this is the morning after Cree's birthday. Tell everybody, what was your favorite part of your birthday party? Getting your cards?
No, it was probably about family.
Oh,
I
see,
didn't really care about the presents.
this is why
I really
love you,
didn't
Cree.
care about the presents, but I just cared about my family.
He really, really does, you guys. This boy loves his family.
Look, Cairo, look, it's open.
Okay, so one thing that I love about these boxes is that they have everything they need for their project inside the box. So you don't have to, like go to the store to pick up extra supplies. And not only that, these boxes will keep your kids entertained for hours. Look, Cairo, look, do you see? Wow, I know. Isn't that really cool? Okay, let's open it. Cree, what do you have in here?
I have it says like I have
A robot. Oh my gosh, that is
just like
so...
Wally.
Just like Wally. So, like I said, everything that you need for your project is like in the boxes already, which gives you like a peace of mind. So you have all of the supplies that you need for your project. Oh! Cree, do you like your gift?
Yes.
Did you enjoy your birthday party?
Yes.
Do you want to tell everybody how old you are?
No.
Well, thank you guys so much for hanging out with us and celebrating Cree's birthday. Yay! Also, we want to give a huge shout out and thanks again to KiwiCo for sponsoring and collaborating with me on this video. Bye!
Bye.